Hey guys, I know that we've been having a little bit of difficulty in accessing how to join new classes, so I wanted to go ahead and show you really quickly how you can log on with other classes and make sure that you get joined up. So what I have right here, this is the page that opens whenever I come on to Edmodo. So this is the teacher side, but it shouldn't look really that different from you guys. So what we've got here is it's showing me all the posts that I've got to all three classes. And then over here on the side, there's a section that says My Classes. Okay, it's on the left. When you click these three dots right here, it's going to give me options to create or archive a class. That's not options that you have because you're not in the teacher mode. However, you do have the option right here where you can join a class. I have confirmed with another student who's using the mobile version with the Edmodo app that you still have this option right here. So when you click join a class, you're going to enter in that class code and join. At that point, you're going to join automatically. Now, one other thing I did want to let you guys know about when you do that is that all of the codes that you need to be able to join have already been sent to your parents' email. There was an email that was sent out last week that had an attachment that said for science and social studies, which is just in the one class. I didn't separate it because I thought that would be more difficult. So the code has already been sent out, but if you guys need that code individually, please have your parents shoot me a text message. I can send you whatever code it is that you need. Once you've joined on, then you'll have your different classes. So for example, I've got my homerooms right here. You'll be able to start seeing the upcoming assignments. You'll be able to see posts that I've been making, all this stuff. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll start seeing the assignments for this week. And anything that I might have given you in the comment section, like use this link for the assignment, here's how you can do stuff, all of that good stuff for you guys to use. And it's going to look specific to each class. So this is my homeroom. Here's the advanced class. And if you look right here too, you'll be able to see that this is the code that you've used to log in for my class. So this is the code for the science class for advanced. This is the code for my homeroom. And then here's the code for Miss Frank's class. It's extremely important that you only use the code to log on to your specific class. If you are in Miss Frank's homeroom and you use a code to log into my homeroom, I'm going to kick you out because you need to be in the correct class. All of that has to do with the way that it tabulates the data. Okay, so I need you to get to the right class. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. But otherwise, again, it's this three-dot button right here. Join a class and enter that code. Hope you guys have a great day. If you need anything, please let me know.